How to disable direct messages on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to disable direct messages on Instagram. So let's begin. Before we proceed, I would like you to note that you may not be able to disable the direct messages on Instagram. However, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So, before we proceed, make sure also to update your Instagram app first. To do that, you just simply go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. Once you've done updating your Instagram app, then now you may open it. Then, once you're in the Instagram app, go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Then, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and go to Settings. Once you're in settings, you may go to notifications first. So again, this is not 100% accurate, and this is just an alternative. So go to notifications, go to message and calls, and make sure to turn off message requests, group requests, as well as your messages. So turn it off and all of the other settings right here. And then now, let's just go back to settings once again and go to privacy and then look for messages. So under messages, click on it, click on the very first option, which is your followers on Instagram. So go to your followers on Instagram and click on don't receive, and then as well as your Facebook friends, don't receive, click on update settings whenever it is available or will pop up. And make sure also to change all of these to don't receive. So again, you may not be able to 100% disable the direct messages on Instagram, but what I have taught you is just an alternative. So that's it. That's how you can disable direct messages on Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.